Alright, hey guys, how's it going? Killshot here, brings our video, and this is going to be a tutorial video on how to automatically update your apps, just kind of like without you knowing, but just kind of like in the background so that you don't have to like, constantly go to the App Store and, just click update all like every, like half month or something, I don't know. I'm recording this with my Surface Pro 5, I guess. I'm not sure if it's recording in like a good resolution or anything. So far it looks just fine. What I want to show you is just a cool little trick to basically just let your apps, whenever they get an update, update by themselves through Wi-Fi, not like through cellular data or anything like that. So all you're gonna do is just go. This is kind of like the App Store here, right? So I have like my 4 apps here. I've really played that game, but whatever. But just so I have my 4 apps here, and they just have like updates to them. They needed to be updated, right? But I did not have that setting where it automatically updates on Wi-Fi. All you're gonna do is and this is the iPhone 10, so I mean, you might have, if you're on like the 8 or 7 or whatever, you might have to, click the home button or whatever. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the settings menu, and let me just go all the way back here. Okay, so perfect, yeah. So here it is, all you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to, look at my here, so iTunes and App Store, and then this is what you're gonna see right here. And so all you're going to do, and you might actually have just the updates, this thing on. And I actually, what I think this is, I'm not sure, but what I think it is it's actually the actual App Store app update. And then I think the apps is the right actually, the toggle to actually turn on. And what that'll do is when you do that, you go back to the App Store, and then when you go update all, it will do it. And then I think what that'll do is in the future, they will, continue to be updated accordingly. Oh, maybe not. That's interesting. Okay, so yeah, so I'm actually gonna wait just a little bit, about like maybe a few days or so, to see if there's any other updates, and if those have updated in the background and this works, then I will upload it and have this be like a successful tutorial on how to do that. All right, so it seems that everything worked. So it's been about 3 days since I recorded the other video, and this morning I actually looked, I turned on my phone and I saw like the loading icon like over the app, which meant that it was updating. And I was like super happy. I'm like, yeah, yeah, it worked. So as you can see, these are the updates. So updated today, everything. I mean, so here's just a few that have updated. And these were updated because of the changes in the settings. So I'll go down to the iTunes App Store. So if you want to, if you want to automatically update apps without manually doing them, you select the apps. I'm pretty sure I did that in like the last one. If you do not want to use your cellular data, so keep this off. If you do not want to use data to update, your apps. If you do, then turn that on. But if you don't, then don't have it on. And then all of these are just kind of like other stuff. But yeah, so this is kind of like the main icon that you do, and that will basically update all of your apps and stuff like that. So there's also one more thing that I kind of want to go over too, is that if you're updating an app and your phone kind of goes to sleep and it doesn't like update that fully, and it kind of like it prevents it, like from updating fully, then all you do is you go to settings, you go down to display and brightness, and it's just like a simple way of doing it. You go down to auto lock right here, and if you say never, then basically what that'll do is the phone will stay on like forever, and that way you can just update your apps until they finish up, and then you can go right back and you could say, let's say like 3 minutes or so. So after 3 minutes, then it will go back to sleep and everything's all good. I hope this helped you guys with any problems you had with updating apps or anything like that. If this did help you, leave a like down below. If you have any questions or concerns, please comment down below. Subscribe for more videos like this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.